Have you ever wondered how a simple supplement can transform your health, performance, and well-being? Whether you want to gain more energy, strengthen your immunity, or improve muscle recovery, supplements can be great allies in your routine. But what are the real benefits? Stay until the end of this video that I will show you the 10 benefits of using supplements and still leave a gift that will help you choose the ideal supplement for your goal. Hello everyone, welcome to the SOS Healthy channel. Here your health comes first. Our channel is dedicated to bringing content about well-being, quality of life, and disease prevention, addressing essential topics such as nutrition, physical exercise, mental health, longevity, and more. If you are looking for a healthier and more balanced lifestyle, you are in the right place. Subscribe, activate the bell, and follow our science-based tips and information to transform your routine and take care of your body and mind. And here are the top 10 benefits of using a supplement in our lives. Correction of nutritional deficiencies. Many people cannot obtain all the necessary nutrients from food alone. Supplements can fill these gaps. Immune system support. Vitamins like C, D, and zinc strengthen immunity, helping to prevent diseases. 3. Improved physical performance. Supplements like creatine, BCAAs, and caffeine can increase muscle strength, endurance, and recovery. Increased energy and reduced fatigue. B-complex vitamins and iron help combat fatigue and improve energy levels. Bone health, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D are essential for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Mental and cognitive health. Omega-3, magnesium, and B vitamins can improve memory, concentration, and reduce stress. Cardiovascular health support. Supplements like omega-3, coenzyme Q10, and fiber help in lowering cholesterol and controlling blood pressure. 8. Improve sleep quality. Melatonin, tryptophan, and magnesium help regulate sleep and fight insomnia. Health of skin, hair, and nails. Collagen, biotin, and antioxidants promote healthier skin, strong hair, and resistant nails. 10. Recovery. Post-workout. Proteins like whey and casein help in muscle recovery and lean mass building. Tell me, what of these benefits your body is needing? And as promised, in the description of the video, I will leave the link that will help you choose the best supplement for you. And then tell us what subject you want us to talk about on the channel. Thank you for watching. Share this video with someone you love. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any valuable content. Leave your like. See you next video.